Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Basics with me, and this is me Bhanu, and today we will see class 9th 6th chapter, which is lines and angles. So before doing any question, we will see some basic terms and their definitions, type of angles and all, and few properties. So here let's start with basic terms and definitions. So what is the now line segment? Here, if a line is denoted by the 2 points, this and this, then it is called AB line segment, and it is represented by AB and bar. A ray is having one point on one side and another side are just a arrow mark, and is represented by AB and on that one arrow. What is line now? Line is a simple straight line drawn, and which is represented by having two arrows on both ends. But here in this chapter we are not going to represent any line segment, ray or line by like this. We will only denote a line segment, a ray or line just by the small letters like line L, line segment L, or a ray L, like this. Now moving to forward, what is collinear points? If three or more points lie on the same line, suppose this is one line, you can say line L, which is having three or more points on it, then this line is having collinear point. On the other hand, non-collinear points or line is just opposite of what we have here in collinear points. Here, if the points not lie on the same line, suppose these are the point, one is going here, then here, then here, it is not getting one line, so these are the collinear, non-collinear points. Now angle. An angle is represented by this symbol when two rays originated from the same end point. These are the rays that we have seen, one ray, then another ray, originating from the same point O, and making an angle. I have given name X. So once this angle is formed, then the arms of angle, then we call OB and OA are the arms of angle AOB, because this is the angle. Now what is vertex? Here it is the vertex is the point point O. This is the vertex from these two arms of angles are drawn. Now moving to types of angles. Here a few types of angles are there. So let's start with acute angle. Here this acute angle, I suppose I have this angle which is denoted by X. So here what is acute angle? Acute angle is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. It means the angle which is greater than the 0 degree and but smaller than the 90 degree. You can remember this angle with the name acute, as the A comes first in the alphabets. Now it's right angle having a angle of 90 degree. This is simple right angle. Now moving to forward, obtuse angle, angle X which is greater than 90 degree. Suppose this is 90, then it is greater than 90 degree and smaller than 180 degree. This is my 180 degree angle. So this is smaller than 180 and greater than 190. Obtuse angle. Now straight angle having a degree of 180 is straight angle. A reflex angle, here I'm not taking this angle. Why? Because this after 180 degree, if you make this line to come this side, then the angle will increase. So here this reflex angle will get you, suppose I am denoting this x, so this angle x is greater than 180 and smaller than 360 degree. Now complementary angle, here the two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Suppose I am making this right angle and dividing this angle into two angles, this angle 1 and angle 2. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree. So this total is 90 degree. So here either I can write like this, or angle AOB plus angle BOC. I am getting the full angle which is 90 degree. Now what is supplementary angle? Here also two angles whose sum is 180. That is supplementary angle. This is my supplementary angle. Including angle 1 plus angle 2, I am getting supplementary angle. So angle here I am getting angle AOB plus angle BOC. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. Now moving forward, what are adjacent angles? Two angles are called adjacent angles if they have same vertex. Two angles x and y, they have the same vertex. They have common arm, angle AOB, angle BOC. So here the common arm is OB for both angles, and they have uncommon arms are on either side of the common arms. This is your common arm and this is your uncommon arm, which is either side of your common arm. Uncommon arms are on either side of their common arm. This is common, these two are uncommon. Now what is linear pair of angles? When two adjacent angles are set to form a linear pair of angles if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. It means your two angles which are adjacent, means they are to one other side, or having that we have seen the three properties, having the common vertex and means one vertex, common arm and two opposite your arms. So here two adjacent angles, suppose angle 1 and angle 2, two adjacent angles, these are two adjacent angles, are set to form a linear pair. They are forming a linear pair of angles if their non-common, this is the common and these are the non-common arms, are two opposite rays. This line I am getting by joining the two opposite rays. This is one ray and this is the second ray having a common point. This is the straight line. Okay, so here this is a pair of angles only if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. One is going in this direction and another is going to your left side. So these are the two common rays. Now what is vertically opposite angle? When two lines, suppose here the line A and B and C and D, intersect each other at point O, and this is suppose O point A, and here it is getting intersect, then two pair of vertically opposite angles form. Two pair means this one and this one, vertically opposite angle, and this another pair. So here angle AOC and angle BOD is one pair. This is one pair and this is second pair, angle AOD and angle COB or BOC. Now the next is intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. So here, when the two lines intersects at a point, suppose O, then the lines are intersecting, and when they are not intersecting, then the two lines are parallel. Okay, if not parallel, suppose the lines are something like this, one is a straight line, another is like this, then at certain point they will go and meet, so they are also called intersecting lines. So whenever two lines are not intersecting, means they are parallel, the distance between the two lines at every point will be same. So friend, that's all for today's class. In the next class we will see theorem and its converse form, and then we will start studying, or we will start solving questions based on what we have learned today and what we will learn tomorrow in our theorems. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you really do like, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.